In this video, we're going to talk about a third strategy that we can use to add decimals. Now, don't forget that just with any operation, there are so many different ways that we can add decimals. This strategy may work for you, or it might be confusing for you. The whole point is to look at a bunch of different strategies in doing the same problem so that we can not only understand it better, but find a way that makes the most sense to us when we're solving problems. Don't forget as you're watching the video to take really good notes and to jot down some questions that you might have so that we can have those discussions in class. And also remember that you always have this video and you can also pause and rewind at any point when you're watching. Let's go ahead and take a look at the third strategy. So in this strategy, we're going to talk about just the traditional way of adding decimals. Now, one thing that's really important to remember when we are adding decimals and we are using the more traditional method is place value is really important. You want to make sure that you're adding numbers that are in the same place value. So because place value is so important, we want to make sure when we are setting this problem up that we're lining up our decimal point. And something that some students find really helpful is they draw a line and they know I have to put my decimal points on that line because we're lining up our place values. And because I'm adding, I'm going to put 163.45 and then 23.1. And again, if you notice, everything is lined up with its correct place value. You can put a placeholder 0 there if you want. Remember, 23.1 and 23.10 are the same numbers. They're just written different ways. Not necessary to put the placeholder, but some people do like to do that. And now we're going to add. So remember, we start all the way to the right and we work our way to the left. So 5 plus 0 gives us 5. 4 plus 1 gives us 5. Our decimal is going to stay lined up. 3 plus 3 is 6. 6 plus 2 gives us 8. And 1 plus 0 gives us 1. So our final answer is 186.55. And that is how we add decimals using the traditional algorithm.